ticket.
Wow.
This is how I win. Woo! Look, please keep going. Look at that. Oh my God, I win so many tickets. No one can beat 1,000 tickets. Woo! Man, I win so many elephant and tickets. I got 1,000 tickets. I'm so good at basketball. Watch this. I'm so sorry to get so many YouTube. Oh, yellow's gotta move. Oh no. Man, I'm so good at basketball. Look at these basketballs. I got 1,100 tickets. I got so many. This is King Kong, guys. We have so many money and tickets. So we will play this. So we have so many music. We have some 2 bears. But except we got so many. This is how you play it. Put this on your eye. See everything.
We are his.
Not yet. Not yet.
Welcome to Skull Island.
Oh my God.
What
Oh my God. Yeah. It's okay, Golly. Yeah. Oh, guys, this is fun. All these plans is fun. I got 1,000 tickets. You remember? You like roller skate? Boys and girls go to the roller skate. But sometimes I got so many YouTubes. YouTube don't go to roller skate. Man, you're crazy. I don't know how to roller skate. Guys, come. Man, you have to go like this. Do it harder. Don't do it like a baby. That's how you play. Like this. See this? See that? See that? See that? That's how you play. I win the champion. I'm the champion. I always get 1,000. Man, I win so many. I got 2,300. So I can buy all these toys. See, look. This is basketball. Toys. Look. Adamant candies. Look at these. Look. What's this? What is so cool? This one is so sweet. And big. And I want some more cards. This. And what do I want? 800 tickets. I'll take it. I'll take this one. This one is new. I never eat this. Got 400. What's 400 plus 400? Okay, you got it. It's 800. So you got it. You know my YouTubes. My name is Sodi. That's my YouTube.